Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am Crypto Princess. My two-day topics for new project Universal PSUs for trading and lunch. The 296 lunch pool. Gateware intently list Baby Shark Universal PSU for spare tradings at 10 on August 9 August 2025. And lunch the 296 lunch pool users can stack bitcoins. User can stack bitcoins PSU to earn 10,19,541 BSU airdrop for free with reward distributed every hour. Baby Shark Universal BSU Sport Tradings. Trading starts on 9 August 2025 UTS. Deposit BSU on China deposits with fact BNB China Sport do not deposit and BSU assets that are not with the BSU China to the address above. If you do so, assess well errands. Baby Shark Universal BSU Lunch Pool Stacking Periods 9 August 2025 Total Stacking Reward 10,09,541 USDT. Stacking Pool Bitcoin Total Stacking Reward Price Pool per hours Hourly Rewards Cap per users and Maximum Stacking amount units per users Mine up Stacking amount unit per users. Straight to Aaron now. Unlocking rules. Rule unlock 100% gate lunch pools allow. Stacking to Aaron now. Unlike rules, 100% gate lunch pool allows user to stack early. You can stack your assets before the project officials lunch, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once winnings begins. Reward distribution. The system will distribute tokens reward to users per account every hour based on the appropriations of assets stacked by each user. Gate lunch effect. How to participate, log in to your Gate accounts and complete identify verification. Navigations to lunch pools. Halt at listed 0.00001 bitcoins. 1 BSU click stack. Project information. Introduction baby information. Baby Shark Universal BSU as a hybrid intermediate platform leveraging the global renowned Baby Shark IP to bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3. Aiming for mass adoption, BSU demonstrated significant market appeal and community trust through successful sell-out collaborations with leading NFT collections like Badish, Penigans, and Lil Badish. BSU version is backed by over 11 investors, include prominent names such as Siu Ventures, Kumas 3 Inventures, and CTC Weldings. Its growth potentials in creating an accessible and enjoyable web was for everyone. Token name Baby Shark Universe Token. Token symbols PSU maximum supply 8 lakh. Token types BEP 20. Token ID, token distributions and unlock rules as a system 35% and 6%. Unlock at GTGE wasted landly over 48 months. Also system reservices 114 node TGE relays node CLIF visits over 48 months. Send round for node TGE relays 6 monthly visited yearly over 12 months. Private sales round 8 now TGE relays 5 monthly visited yearly over for 12 months. Liquid exchange Liquid exchange 8% and 100% unlock 2G. Marketing 4% and 100% unlocked at TGE. Operationals and developments 80%, 1.76% unlocked at TGE 11 month clip visits over 24 month. Dream 10 months not TGE relays 11 month clip visits over 24 month. Advisors and partners 8%. No TGE relays 11 month clip visits over 24 month. Websites, white papers, Gate Labs investment disclosures. Gate Labs did not invest in Baby Shark Universal BSU. Gate Launch Pool is an onboard stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, Gate token, Bitcoins, Ethereum, USDT or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins. With low entry bars and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortless capturing market opportunities. Please complete identify verification before participating in Launch Pool to ensure the security of your accounts and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating and chatting behavior is provides and occurrences of an dishonest will result in the disqualify of the of your accounts and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the events when participating. Any chatting behavior is provides any occurrences of any dishonest will result in the disqualification of the reward. There are discrepancies here between the translate version and the original English version. The English version shall prevail. Geared services are rights to the final explanation. This event is not appeals with app user in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services. The participation in this event game over competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricts location. Risk warning. The project team does not guarantees that token's price will not be lower than its Intel's sales price. Please investors with cash and do not invest it on your financial capacity. The crypto project is still in its interstage factor, including the operations and underlying technological of the project and other released regulatory activities might contribute to sacrifice risk. Advanced technical and fanciful technology is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high and the price of a token might practicals restrict due to magical fences. mm, might physical districts due to China's regulatory and making factors. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchased token due to the technical issue of the project over Gate. Gate Dream 8 August 2025 Gateway to Crypto Trader over 3500 cryptocurrencies safely quick and easily on Gate. Track action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friend and earn 14% commission. Stay connect. Visit a Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Join our Telegrams to discuss trading topics in change with our global community for the latest insights. Transparent security, check our 100% proof of services. Uh, Baby Shark Universal BSU is the operates intermediate platform leveraging the global renowned Baby Shark IP to bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3 aiming for mass adoption. BSU is building a family friendly ecosystem featuring games, NFTs and metaverse expenses. The project has demonstrated significant market appeals and community trust through successful sell out collaborations with leading NFT collectings like Bedage, Pensions, and Lilal Paget. PSU vision is backed by over 11 investors, including prominent names such as SU, GM Ventures, Comas, Sri Ventures, and CTC Holdings. Its growth potentials in creating an accessible and enjoyable Web3 world for everyone. Officials website, Twitter, white papers, and fact. Total rewards, start times, end times, and pools, PTS, total stacking rewards, meaning periods, total stack, participates, prize pools, and stacking Stacking pool, BTC, BSU, total stacking rewards, prize pool per hours, rewards, maximum stacking. Announcement in GT release letter, proof of services, proof reports, total services reach 12.02 billions with 2.32 billions. Gate power the token of love musical festivals, fracture, decrypto tradings and ecosystems. Where VIP iron bonus 7 days USDT fixed time. Dream with up to 60% APR. And open the BS USDT baby sharks universals and open your BAB market price 0.09870 USDT and baby shark universal market price change plus 0.00299% and BSU 24 or high market price 0.10500 USDT and BSU 24 or slow market price 0.09173 USDT. And baby BSU 24 or Swellium 3.13 millions and baby BSU 24 or slow market price turnover USDT 307.05K and low market price 3.14 billions. LRC USDT minus 11.66% and GT USDT minus 3.24%, GT minus 3.24%, SKL plus 82.83% and UMI plus 7.03%, IXORA plus 30.87%, NEKO plus 20.73%, XNY plus 6.95%, ARRAY plus 0.37%. ORD yards 30.57%, BUZ plus 70.24%, BERA. BSU ranking numbers 1179, market cap, the total value of a cryptocurrency our tokens, current calculating and traded in the market cap. Market cap is calculated by multiplying the current price by the calculating supply. 16.47 million USDT, calculating supply 167.97 million BSU. Release date 8 August 2025, all time high market price 0.195 USDT 9 August 2025 and all time low market price 0.01 USDT 9 August 2025. Maximum supply, full dilated market cap, the potential market value of a project. If for its cryptocurrencies or tokens we are in calculating 83.35 million USDT total supply. The total amount units of a cryptocurrency or token that has been great over miners, including those that are not stacked or reserved, 850.00 million PSU market cap, full dilated market cap. This metric measures the projections of a project total issue token that are current beginning traded in the market. This metric ensures the protections of a cryptocurrencies or project total issue token that are current beginning traded in the markets. 90.76% number of holding address 1.27k and LixDCX 11 score algorithms PEP BEP 20 market sentiments. The overall attitude of sentiments investors towards our cryptocurrency or tokens. Positive contact address 0x1A and Baby Shark Universal BSU is a hybrid internet platform leveraging global Renews Baby Shark IP Bradich, the get between Web3 and Web2 and Web3. Aiming for mass adoption, BSU is building Aiming for mass adoption, BSU is building a family friends ecosystems, structures, games, NFTs, and metaverse expenses. The project has demonstrated significant market apply and community trust through successful sell-out collaborations with leading NFT calculation like Bits, Contents, and Lyle Badgate BSU's vision is backed by over 11 investors, including prominent names such as G Ventures, Commerce 3, and Ventures and GCTC buildings its grow potential tradings and accessible and enjoyable Web3 worlds of for anyone, everyone. More website, blog, explorers, white papers, social media, Twitters, and this is order book. The red value is decrease, the market price is low, and the green value is market price is high and value is increase. The section is sell, buy, and open your market price and enter your price, enter your my units, enter your total price, and click the option is buy BSU. And the section sell, enter your price, enter your my units, and enter your total price, and click the option sell BSU. and open the charts and voting lines and click the options scales and green candles on 0.00 0 USDT, 0 BRS value 70.044 millions and open your market price 0.01061 USDT and close up market price 0.09779 USDT and the next green candle red candles on 0.08883 USDT 836.76% and 808,883 USDT. The value is decreased 1 BRS 1 day value 20.586 millions and open your market price 0.09944 USDT and close up market price 0.01061 USDT. The next green candles on 11 August 2025 and 11 August 2025 and 0.0936 USDT and the next red candles on 0.08304 USDT 782.27 USDT 8,300 5 USDT 3 BRS 3 day value 28.221 millions and open your market price 0.0936 USDT and close up market price 0.09765 USDT. The next green candles 30 August 2025 0.07974 USDT 751.46 40 USDT, 7,974 USDT. 4 PRS, 4 day value, 30.991 millions. And open your market price 0.09076 USDT and close up market price 0.09531 USDT. The next red green candles on 14 August 2025 and open your market price 0.09572 USDT and close the market price 0.0982 USDT. Candy drops complete task to claim airdrops 211.9k and 1.77 millions. Total participants and total airdrop USDT. How to earn notify me project all deposit 1 trader 6 invite 2. Tunest is building a decentralized uh, network so that anyone can build blockchain application and infrastructure security by cryptographics through no trust. Ethereum candy drop public airdrops on 0.0. Sign up to participate and claim your one Ethereum. Bitcoin decentralized digital currencies and proof Sunest is building a decentralized proven network so that anyone can build blockchain application and infrastructure security by cryptographic not trusted. Loans Loan is the official token of Lord's Loans Crypto.com flagship NFT brand and the top fund project of the Kronos ecosystem. Worlds 3 is a decentralized platform that empowers users to create, deploy all and against cable of platform tasks, automations and strict operation across both Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystems. NFINT is an L-powered and DFI intelligence protocol that enables to anyone enables protocols in that anyone to discover abilities and executes DeFi opportunities through intelligence against and natural language infrastructure. Upcoming AIPOT. Cherry is a platform that provides Telegram integration tools for community management, token discover, and automated trading. Totals airdrops, airdrop types, units. Multi on basic unit is the largest level 3 blockchain solution for mass market mobile game. Unit focus on in-charge flavor expenses proving end-to-end solutions for its systems and achieving long-term sensibility through inversions token backed by game generators revenues. WXTM theory is a blockchain protocols focused on digital assets but in result it enables creators to generate new types of stories and expenses. RHEA is the non-native uploadings of Nair's original TFI powerhouse, reef fences and board fences, the length DXs and leading protocols on the narrow protocol. How to select the project you are interested in and complete the interactive task to earn candies. Completes interactive task. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn and the better your chance of getting airdrop rewards will be. Complete interactive task. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn and the better your chance of getting airdrop rewards will be. Wait for airdrop. Check the reward distributed suits and wait for the airdrop. Fact, what is candy drop? Candy drop is an airdrop campaigning launches by Gate. User can earn candies by completing tasks such as participating in trading, depositing, inviting friends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn, increasing your chance of winning your drops reward. How to earn candies? You can earn candies by completing designated tasks in Candy Drop. Task types include trading, specify, token, deposit, and more. Each complete task will grant you a certain amount units of candies. How to verify the completions of the event task? After completing a task, the platform will automatically verify it without requiring manual validation. You will see a performance once the task is successfully complete. When will reward be distributed? Reward will be distributed to the winner's gate account within 14 working days after the event ends. Can be viewed. Can be viewed in violate billings details. Users must complete identifier verification before claiming reward. Can the candies be assumed for the next events? Candy are used to each event and cannot be recurred over to the next one. An ERO is an EVM computables models level 1 check trainability for developers and business. It fractures native accounts, abstractions, and flexible paymaster systems, enabling cash in any tokens, supporting our full cashless transaction. MBBG is the first of our tokens backed by Multiply Bank Group, a global financial giants, and MPG token is backed by Rally Strengths and Multi for Rally Wars, Utility and serious growth potentials. Delp News Lab is the core development team behind ZKWSM, the first open source vertical machine enables zero technology proof generate for WebAssembly based. Lunchpool, Cube Stacks, and Holder airdrops, Holder GT, and get massive airdrops for free. The USDT airdrop received 296.62 million cumulative airdrops, 24.5k total airdrops, 11 million plus participate. PUBLIC total airdrops per GT and participates or to get public airdrops and it's 7 hours 50 minutes 2 seconds. Overland Times 14 August 2025 FIRs. How to participate in the holder airdrop? As long as you are GT holding in GET account in no less than 1, you can participate and receive airdrop without loop or stack GT. Which account GT holdings will be included in the calculations? Total GT holdings in unfilled accounts, spots, affiliates, merchants accounts, copy tradings, volume, copy trading account, postage accounts, and fancical account and payments account, accelerating GT2 and GT in crypto loan and launchpad. How is your airdrop? My unit calculates. Once you join the project, the system will tracks your GT holding, taking multiply random snapshots every hour to calculate your average. However, holdings, your final reward is based on your average holding during the entry project period. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, You will not receive any rewards. Physical tokens equal to average early holdings or participants average. What is per GT? Per GT is an estimates value including the number of airdrop token you can include receive by participating. Participating in the older airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it unit in the end of the project. Please note the per GT will change based on the total airdrop my units and the GT holdings of all participants and is updated early. Why are my holdings counted different across project? The system uses random snapshots to calculate user average hourly holdings depending on when you join each project. The calculated average holding may vary in theory if your holdings among units remain constant. Your average hourly holdings should be the same across all projects you participate in. Different projects have different individual participants limited. You can check the details page or the event announcements for more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same times? You can participate in multiple projects. How well the airdrop rewards distributed. The iron airdrops will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check it anytime and launch pools airdrops participates in history. Simple irons participate protect flexible stream compound interest. 2.61 billions USDT 11.04 university bonus market cons USDT hedged or capitals bitcoins 6.83% and VDAPR 1.19% performing scores my units trading rules. Quant find is physical product that achieves return with average activity trading returns accurate rules. Profits and losses can be viewed in real time after subscriptions. Red position rules received immediately after the submitting red positions request. Quant found is a physical product without locked up periods that you can swipe and redeem at any time. Management fees free within limited time. Early withdrawal within 48 hours will have no earnings. In this case of net loss, the loss will be credited to you. If you withdraw, uh, 48 hours will have no earnings. In this case of a net loss, the loss will be greatest to you if you withdraw for 8 hours after subscriptions. The platform will charge you 30% of your earnings as the management fees in the case of a noteless. Strategy introductions, advantage of sport fracture. Regardless of the rise scales of the phone price, the price movements and sport and virtual fractures will be efforts and vocal lawlessness, the return of sport fracture arbitrage is the pounding rate. Manage trading fees of opening and closing position. The drivers of your investment is topically very low. During the bull markets, rate is usually positive and high. The uh, funding payments be earning through shorts, purchase fractures in a sport fracture tradings. Suppose the Bitcoin price is 20 lakh, the founding rate is 0.03%. Use 2000 USDT as the margins to contract founding rate arbitrage percentage by 0.1 with 2000 USDT in spot market and short the same in purchase fractions market if the founding rate is the same as and a low strings 180%. How to profit from simple iron. Instead the processor to lend your idle funds. Successful matchings systems your loadings offer with probings net in the market. Earn comprehensive interest after your assessed are already successful. USD stacking, immediately how to join stacking, twice, Explorer USDT product. What is the EST APR changing and how it is calculated? The EST APR USDT stacking is dynamics changing on a daily basis along with on China's stack principles and returns. How is my returns calculate? USDT return equal USDT holdings amounts multiply daily APR services. How I can enjoy discount on the services. After become VIP users, you can enjoy discounts on the services fees. The higher the tiers, the Greater the accounts and lower the rates not. How long does it take it receive rewards after stacking? USDT rewards reward release if you stacked one day. Interest rates will start to accrues. USDT rewards less if you stacked on day. Interest will start to accrues on day plus one and be paid on upon red portions of pump reward release if you stacked one day. Interest will start accrues on D plus one. Can I redeem my USDT turn at any time? You can redeem USDT at any time and the access will be granted to your accounts and on D plus 3. The onboarding period is subjective to change during the period. No stacking reward. Our bonus B generates from the unit of assessed limits. Can I cancel stacked read portions after submissions? No, the order then cancels. You can stack over radium to USDT again through USDT stacking at any time. Or there are any additional fees. Gate will change 5% the reward as services fees, which includes but is not limited to commission, network fees, etc. Self services, register login password, change found passwords, and 80 phone numbers, email, setup, guides, spot, solder iron, web, latest news, Candy Drop 66, Candy Drop 6 Cherry, AIPOT, Trader to Share. We are excited to launch the AIPOT tokens airdrop event, where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share total prize pool of 21 million AIBTO with maximum individual share of 1200 AIBOT. Get Sport, Indians Networks, uh, GT Sports, other sporting contract sport. We provide videos 24 customer services always selfish your needs. Contact use SBI emails. Low compliances are regulatory GA Gatecom. Verification search. Verify the account's official status through the official gate Verify the channel now. Gate market is a merchant is a verified should not be interference generating or trading security. With such merchants, user may still run the risk of funds lost due to wrong error input. When trading with merchants, please ensure combinations are connected. Verify official emails or double check with customer support before confirming the dealings. Gate verification search. Complete task to claim airdrop. Uh, total participate, total airdrops, USDT, and project deposits. One trader, 6 invites, airdrops, Ethereum, can drop public airdrop 7.0 USDT and join now with cash and click Launchpad by early the to the next big boss agents and uh, this is no project in Launchpad now. Try Launchpool. Unlock Bitcoin and PSU to get PSU airdrop highest APR 727.16%. Historical project IK is the faster Parley PC network. Contracts community committee USDT 1 and committee GTs PUMP. PUMP Crypto Assets is the official lexicon of the PUMP, Mimco's launch platforms, and the SWIFT PUMP Fund Automated Market. PFVS services are medical profits project by the former economic team served a decision central on a vertical to decision. Join Launchpad. Get Launchpad is a global lending project launch platform. Join to give our project more experts and grow opportunities. What is Gate Launchpad? Gate Launchpad is Gate in one Vortex token launch platform that lets you get early access to high potential crypto project through a paid subscriptions model, giving you a head start before the market catches on. How do I How do I participate in Gate Launchpad? Log into your Gate account, head to the Launchpad, select a project and click Commits Now. What token can I use to subscribe? Launchpad Stripe tokens are typically USDT, Gate or others. Please check the project details for specify. The final subscription token shall be based on the Ashley project. Note borrowed funds are not liable for participants in Launchpad project. Well, we funds be locked after subscribings. Yes, if your subscription is successful, the corresponding sum units will be dedicated from your accounts within 4 hours. After the distributions period ends, any inscriptions period portions will also be unlocked and returned to your spot account within 4 hours after the subscription period ends. How our tokens are locked after the subscriptions and tokens are distributed based on your ownership as percentage of the total raised. Your subscriptions amount unit is dedicated according and token are credited to your spot account. How many will I get? The number of tokens you will get will be calculated and allocated based on the perfections of your average hourly competings during the subscription period relative to the overall project total commutes amounts due more. Rates with veterans and can drop stacked rewards, mistakes, ongoing, upcomings, and rates. Detail fields, Alcons, Bitcoins pools, BSU pools, and carry drops, ledgers with stacked Launchpad, 95.72 billion USDT, 530.35 million USDT. 38.02 billion USDT, 6 million participates. Self-services, fact guides, bots, merchants, holders. Candy drops. We are excited about airdrop events. You can complete task verifications or others. Referrals, iron vouchers, invite to iron 20 USDT plus 5 USDT for your friend. Super commissions, iron up to 14 commission. Super commissions and on every trader get to earn Get wide and explorers and unlock up to 500 USDT rewards and invite two friends to get 20 USDT. Each friends will receive 5 USDT. Invite two friends to claim reward. 2 days, 10 hours, 22 millions, 58 seconds. Invite friend to post progress, post accounts. Once your friends complete a wheel trader, invite friend to post. Friend A, sign up with 5 days, deposit 100, trader 100. Invite friend to post. How to get rewards, invite friend. Event rules, how to participate. If you invite two friends and both complete the deposit and trading task, you will receive a 20 USDT factor bonus, and each of your friends will receive a 5 USDT factor bonus. Deposit task, each invite friends must each a net deposit of 100 USDT. Must sale maintain 3 days later trading task. After sign up and looking in notes app, friends must each enter 100 USDT in spot trading volume over 500 USDT in factor trading. Wheel deposit method includes on China deposit file and deposit crypto by View Bank card P2P crypto by and third part payments, gate code and gift or note count or wheel deposit. If only one friends complete both tasks before the round ends, and the round will be considered in wheels and no will receive reward. Click join now to start the events. Each round lasts 5 days. You can start new round if one ends or is complete early. Trade and voting, stabilities and the excludes from trading's volume requirement if the invite has complete identify verifications under a public identify the task will be marked as incomplete. Reward rules, the factor bonus will be distributed to which was to for you and your friends. Will for 5 days. Please use them in time. Get well manually we review your reward after task completions. If you have not received your factor bonus with 3 business days, please contact customer support if any user is found uh, to abuse the events. Watch tradings translate behavior get receiver the right to flag and pencils account. Additional notes, this reward cannot be combined with referrals commission or other invite event. Subtractions, if either the invite or the invite is a partner reward will not be distributed. Sub accounts cannot participate in the company's competitions and other data will not be accounts in the main account. Gate receive the final interpretations right of this event. This event is not fields with applying results from blogs. The United Kingdom's Francis journey. The Netherlands, Turkey, Australia, South Korea, and other strict dragons are not intodes to select or contact marketing towards user in this area. Important notice: crypto market are high voltage. It is strongly recommended that users take dependence professional advice through understand relevant information and exercise caching when in changing in any occasions. Reference Iran bookstores invite to earn 20 USD plus 5 USD for your friends. Super commissions earn up to 14% commission on every trader. Get to earn explorers and unlock to 5 USD reward. Invite friends to get 50 20 USDT. Each friends will receive 5 USDT. Invite two friends, call mates. Reward 2 days, 10 hours, 22 minutes, 34 seconds. Invite friends to post progress, post accounts. Once your friend complete a wheel trader, invite friend to post friend A. Sign up in 5 days, deposit 100 USDT, trader 100 USDT. Invite friend to post B. Sign up within 5 days, deposit 100 USDT, trader 500 USDT. How to get rewards? Invite friends 1. Friend sign up post-its. Friends post-its friend I get reward 5 USDT. Friend post B3. Friends B reward 5 USDT. If you invite two friends and both complete the deposit and trading task, you will receive a 20 USDT factor bonus, and each of your friends will receive a 5 USDT factor bonus. Deposit task: an invited friend must reach a net deposits on deposit of 100 USDT, which must still be maintained 3 days later. Trading task: after sign up and trading uh, deposit if only one friend complete both tasks before the round, and the round will be considered in wheels and no one will receive reward. No start the events, each reward latest 5 days. You can start a new round if one hand forward is complete early. Trader in voting tablets executes from trading volume requirement if the invite has complete invites and verifications under complete volumes requirements. Uh, Potentials will use directed and